So in this video, we'll be talking about tomorrow's Nifty 50 analysis and also the two stocks to observe for tomorrow. And please note this video is completely for educational purpose and not a trading recommendation. And I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience. So let's see how the market has performed today. And tomorrow's analysis, I'll be explaining you in a very simple way without any indicators, and this is completely for educational purpose. Okay. So first, let's look at Nifty 50, how the market has performed for the day. Okay. So first of all, the market has opened today at 24,060 level. Okay. So as you guys know already, in the market, 24,000 level is one of an important support level. Okay. So now after opening, you can see here for the first 30 to 40 minutes, the market has gone straight up for today. It has almost tried to touch 24,300 level, but you can see here after touching 24,300 level, the market has entirely reversed for the day. So the market has completely come down. Okay. So only for the first 30 minutes, the market was in an upper side, and later you can see it didn't cross 24,300 level. It was one of a resistance level somewhere over there. And from that price, the market has been pulled down. Okay. So if you guys can see here, somewhere close to 24,000 level is the lowest point what Nifty has touched again. Okay. So if you see somewhere close to 115 in afternoon is where the Nifty touched the lowest point for today. And after touching 24,000 level, the market has taken some of a support level and it has consolidated actually and closed somewhere close to 24,123 for today. So if you see the overall today's chart of Nifty 50, you can tell that the market was in a bearish side, but in the opening time, it almost went up till 0.80 to 0.90% up, almost close to 1% up for the first 30 to 40 minutes, and later again the market was fully reversed. So if you see here, it was a bearish market for the day. Okay, so for tomorrow what you can do is just see the opening price of Nifty 50 and add opening price plus 310 to find out the maximum high or a resistance point, and opening price plus 160 to find out the key resistance point, and opening price minus 310 to find out the maximum low or a support point, and opening price minus 160 to find out the key support point for Nifty 50. Okay. And also guys, this is our today's intraday trade performance. You can just go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos, even in long format and also in shorts as well. Okay. And also if you guys wish to connect with me personally to improve your trading skill and knowledge, do contact me on the number displayed on the screen, or you can go into the description box and find my number and also find my link to connect with me on Telegram to improve your trading skill and knowledge for educational purpose. Okay, so this is about the market analysis. So now let's look at the two stocks to observe for tomorrow. And again, this is not a buy and sell recommendation, guys. I'm not telling you whether you have to buy or sell. It's only for educational purpose analysis. Okay, so now let's talk about the stock. The first stock is Bajajfinsv. Okay, so for this stock, what you can do is, so before that, you can see today how the stock has performed. Half of a day it has gone up till 12 o'clock, and after that it has reversed. Okay, so after reversing, it's not fully down. Okay, till around 1 hour the stock was in bearish movement, and later took a support around 1751 and closed at 1778. You can see here how quickly the momentum has changed in this particular stock. So it was a bit of a volatile stock. It was going up, down and up. So this is how the Bajajfinsv stock has performed. So for this particular stock, what you can do is just see the tomorrow's opening price and add opening price plus 40 to find out the maximum high or a resistance point what it might touch for tomorrow, and opening price plus 20 to find out the key resistance point, and opening price minus 40 to find out the maximum low or a support point, and opening price minus 20 to find out the key support point on this particular stock. Okay, and the next stock will be Hcltech. Well, of course, it's a IT stock, and this stock is currently trading in one of its lowest point, if you guys can see, when compared to 52-week low. Okay, so for this stock, you can see here today how it has performed. So basically it was completely bearish and bit of a range bounded side. You can see less volume was there today, and also the momentum was pretty less. Okay, so by seeing this chart, you can see that the stock was fully almost range bounded. Only for the first 15 to 20 minutes is where the stock came up fully down, and took some of a support level and just sustained over there itself. And today the closing also has been done in that same range bounded level, I can see. Okay, so even if you see from last couple of days, the price has been bit volatile, but only today I can see that it's completely going in a range bounded section. So let's see how the price will perform tomorrow for this particular stock. Okay, so for this stock, what you can do is just see the tomorrow's opening price and add opening price plus 22 to find out the high or a resistance point what it might touch for tomorrow, and opening price plus 11 to find out the key resistance point, and opening price minus 22 to find out the maximum low or a support point, and opening price minus 11 to find out the key support point. Okay, and please note this is only for an educational purpose and not a trading recommendation. And if you guys wish to improve your skill and knowledge, do connect with me personally. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day, and I will see you guys in the next one very soon.